In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sync up your Arvig email with an Apple device. The first thing we're going to do is go into the settings from the main home screen, scroll down until we find accounts and passwords, hit add account, scroll down to the bottom and choose other, and then add mail account. From there, we will put in base information starting with our first and last name, then moving down to our email address, and then finally our password. Once we have that, we can hit next. From here, we're going to choose a POP account. In the upper right hand corner, we're going to choose POP. From there, we're going to go down to incoming mail server. Under host name, we will put webmail.arvig.net. Our username is just going to be our whole email address. And then we'll go down to outgoing mail server. Under host name again, we'll put webmail.arvig.net. Put in our username, which is going to be our full email address. And then finally our password one more time. Once we have all of that, we can go ahead and hit save in the upper right hand corner. We'll let it verify for just a minute. And now we will go into the mail application. And once we have emails in our inbox, we will know our account is set up correctly.
For more information, call, click, or visit Arvig.